Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you are watching me from. So, on this day today is a beautiful day. It's a great morning and it's a great evening. Also, a great afternoon. It depends on the place you are watching me from. This day today, it's a beautiful Sunday, a beautiful day of all days. So, good morning, guys. Good evening or good afternoon. It depends on the place where you're watching this video from. I'm coming live and clear from Mombasa, and from the rooftop of this building where we are staying over here in Kenya, Africa, to be specific, Bamburi. So today, guys, I really thank you for all returning subscribers, for those who come to say, guys, you know what, this young man has an amazing video, has an amazing vlog. Please, let's do what we call like subscribing. I really appreciate, and may Almighty God bless you always. So today it's a day to say a goodbye, but it's not a goodbye. It's a day just to celebrate. It's a day to thank. It's a day to give thanks to each and every person, because every day is a holiday. Every day is a holiday. According to CJ's calendar, I usually appreciate each and every person over here. And thank you so much for 22,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. I don't take you for granted, guys, but what I say is be blessed always, and be blessed and be blessed. So what am I doing today? This day today, oh, the sun is on the other side. Hey, the sun. Okay, the sun, this one, not the sun me, because I'm son of soil. So this day today, guys, I've been with my family here. I've been staying with Moita and Partha, and this day today I was like, okay, let me take them out, because this day it's a last day. And as also always, if you are with guests at your place, maybe a last day like now, you prepare what we call like best moments, because they have been with us here since the other time, and now they're like, oh man, I want to go back in the village, I want to do some stuffs, and also prepare myself, my wife, to go and prepare herself to give birth. So the only thing is, this day CJ decided, okay man, I've been with them here, so I want to go with them out, just to create a memory, like, oh, we were in Mombasa. So I want to go buy a little thing that we can share, because sharing is caring. And of course, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribe. We're on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and an amazing, great day always starts with the morning smile. Smile, smile for me, Jamaica, Jamaican smile. Ooh, smile. Smile, smile for me, subscribers, subscribe, smile. Ooh, smile. Smile for me, subscribers, smile. Ooh, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. I'm saying yes, Jamaica, smile for me. Jamaica, smile, smile, smile. Because of this tough time, God is always with you. For the whole Caribbean island, or for the whole Caribbean, each and every Caribbean, aside from Guyana, Cayman, aside from we go to the St. Vincent, we go to Caribbean called Jamaica, we go to Grenades. Please smile, smile, smile. God is there for us all, and God is going to provide for us all. So smile, smile, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Smile for me, the whole Caribbean. Smile for me, America. Smile for me, UK. Smile for me, Africa. Smile for me, Asia. And here your boy will travel, and of course we'll be always producing amazing vlogs each and every single day. So rate my outfit today. It's white, blue or navy blue, with my favorite Crocs, and we are going out. Not just like a normal one, just normal one, a normal one, a normal as normal. All right, see you after the break. Ooh, smile, smile for me, Jamaica, Jamaican smile. Ooh, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica, Jamaican smile. Ooh, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica, Jamaican smile. Ooh, smile. That's a sort of doing an exercise. As you sing, you just jog. As you jog, you gain what we call like do best. You give to your body the best time of your life by jogging, by singing, oh smile, smile, smile for me, Jamaica, Jamaican smile, oh smile, smile for me, Jamaica. So let's head down, guys, as you see.
Good morning, guys. It's another day that the God has given us. Oh my God, and also my friends are leaving today. Can you imagine? They're leaving today back to the village, so I'm preparing them breakfast, then lunch, then supper, because they'll be leaving at 10 p.m. Yeah, so it's a busy day for me because I'm seeing them off today. They have to go and look at the village and see how the village is doing and check my houses for me. Yeah, so guys, today I'm preparing breakfast. I've already prepared breakfast, only that I remember to make this video when I'm almost done. I'm taking a rest from a lot of things, but then now I'm hoping that we'll be back to back very soon. But in the meantime, subscribe, like, and share my videos, yeah, as we grow together. But let me show you what I'm preparing today. Today I decided to make this there's bread, there's sausages, there's grapes, there's pineapples, and there's watermelon. So it's a full, I think this it's a fruity breakfast. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so I've made this. I want to serve butter with this. And guys, I'm also boiling tea. You see, this is how I let my tea boil. Like right now. After it boils completely, it normally feels so nice. Yeah, so guys, help me wish my friends a safe journey, because they've been here for a very long time, more than a month, or more than a month, if I'm not sure how long, but they've been here for a while, and they've really given me good company, and I really do appreciate them so much, because without them I don't know what I could have done. They have been my biggest support system. So this tea boiling like this, I want them to start like eating and feeding, because they're going to travel overnight, so that they can start eating early today, so that they're full. So by the time they're going, they'll be more full and full and full and full and full. They don't have to eat anything along the way. So yeah, walk with me on this video. Please don't subscribe, watch to the end also. As you know, guys, Bertha is expectant. She is expecting a full baby. So with that full baby, hey, she must eat. When we were in the village, when she came here, she has gained some kgs. So I want to make sure she gains kgs along the way, so she doesn't lose any kgs. So there's cake here. There's marble cake, there's pineapples, there's sausages, and there's grapes and watermelon and bread. So she'll eat all this because she'll be traveling today, so that she's full. I don't know what this fly is doing here.
Yes, so guys, I'm waiting for them downstairs, so that we can go out, we chill. It's their last day actually in Mombasa, and it's a sort of showing good. Oh, a neighbor has a mirror here, so CJ is looking himself in a mirror, in a neighbor's mirror down here. So yeah, we'll be seeing how it's going. It's a good see you again, not a goodbye, but a see you again. It's sad for me, it saddens me, because we have been used to them over here, we have been used to them in the village, now here. But I thank God for the life that we have been, for the great memory that we have been with them. So for a good gesture, and for everything that we have been doing with them together. They stand for me when it was for my engagement time. So I felt so good. So it's their time, but now we have to do what we call like enjoy a little bit, so that we can create great memories with them around here. And also let me know at the comment section, what do you think about these guys, because sometimes really, you know, you need to do this when a friend comes, and you have to treat him well, because we usually say do good to people, so that one day also the good can be done to you, which is very nice and great. All right, Anguka Nayo, she's finally here. Hey, for sure she's Angukaring Nayo. Starting from the top.
Hello guys.
Our wife. Hey, and nowadays I'm growing tall.
Don't fool me.
I'm growing tall.
Yeah.
Hey, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Benhawi.
Yes.
Yeah, as always, we are at the coast. We are in Mombasa. I think we need to go to other counties.
Yeah, we need to go to another counties.
We need to go to Malindi, we need to go to the Diani. What do you think?
Some days.
Yeah, we are here.
Yeah, we are here, but we can try and see if we can balance our time. And also, you know, sometimes financially is very minimal sometimes, you know, so I cannot try to say we can go and then we go there, we get stuck. So it's better I get prepared. But the best time is, guys, we start to travel from here Mombasa, we can go to Kilifi, you can go to Mtwapa,
Yes,
from
just
Mtwapa
within
to
the coastal
Kilifi,
region, yeah.
and then from there we can head back to Malindi, we can go to Wasini, Watamu, everywhere.
Yeah.
So introduce yourself.
I said my name is Min. How guys, kindly check me out. Subscribe to my channel. We're taking our friends for lunch.
Yes.
Because in the evening they're traveling.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's our last lunch in Mombasa together.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see each other maybe in another time in Mombasa. But
yeah.
for now, it's their bye. They've been here for a month.
Yeah, it's a see you again. Actually.
Yeah, they've been here for a month.
Yes.
So we thought like, okay, it's time for them to go home now.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that we can also.
Yeah. Also, they had some other stuff to work at home with them. So
they have other work. Also, they have to go and check on property because you never know what's happening.
For sure.
Yeah. So let's head there.
And we see. So we're heading to some place special. So let's wait and see. Let me know at the comment section, how do you treat your friends when they visit you? All right.
Okay.
Yeah guys, so we just arrived this place. Actually, this is my favorite spot. Actually, when I come here, it's my favorite place. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend.
Say guten Abend.
Guten
Or
Abend.
guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm okay.
You good?
I'm good.
But
Yes.
are you happy to be this place?
I'm happy to be this place.
Yes.
To be this
Yes, I'm happy. Are
In
you
this
happy to
place.
Are you happy to be this place?
In this place.
No,
Yeah,
to be this.
Are you this place?
Yes.
To be at, is it at or
To be this place.
or in
From this place. Hey, capture that up there.
Guys, I would like one day my compound to look this way. Actually, this way. Actually, when we're building. Yeah. So this is Bata.
Yeah, hi guys, I didn't introduce myself.
Yes.
Welcome back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. My name is Batha. Our channel name is Mwita and Batha. So today we are here. CJ just took us out. This is our last day with them, and I feel so sad because we are leaving them, but we will meet soon. I know it's not gonna take long.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so subscribe guys to our YouTube channels, Minhawi, CJ, Claude Joseph, and also our channel
Mwita and Bata.
So enjoy. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe.
Yes.
And watch this video till the end.
Absolutely.
Because it's going to be fire.
Come this side. Come this side. You wanna take a nice thumbnail? Don't go.
Oh.
Yes, you know the thumbnail should be here.
Where are you?
You're
Okay.
closed.
Yeah,
Yeah guys, so we are
How
here
about you?
and everything is really nice and great. I'm really appreciating for the staycation. We have never been with them, and now today is that day. See you as we are going to dine into what we're going to have.
Yeah.
See you there. can just come and sit at this place. At this point, you can enjoy some photography or your photograph on this point. Also, you can sleep or sit at this point. I think, yeah, it's nice. Wow, very beautiful and great. So let's head and see what's going to happen on the other side. I wish I could have taken a picture, but this one, I think it's Merores do Mundo. So this place looks so nice and great and beautiful, of course. So guys, we just arrived at this place, and this place is really nice and great. From here you just see the ocean from there, or the views or the breeze of the ocean from the other side. And also we're having here main Howie.
Yes,
Hassel.
guys.
You good?
I'm good.
You're right?
I'm all right.
Alright. And also Wika and Bata.
Yeah,
You nice?
I'm good.
You feeling great?
I'm feeling great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wita, wave from there because of the heat. Okay. So guys, these guys over here, they're just having, each and every person has his or her own menu, and they're like, you know, every day that if somebody comes here, it was like, if I
They like
order food,
cooking.
or if Minhawi order food, or if Bata order food from Mr. Junior, everybody like, I want like that, I want like that. So today we are
they're
here,
dying.
so everybody is dying on his own. So everybody is choosing what he or she wants to eat. So
Okay.
like me here, it's
In
my
secret.
turn in a secret way.
For me, she has my order.
So already.
Me, I want
Let
to
me choose
try
mine.
something that I've never tried.
And I know the guesses will be right. So already I've done it, guys, and also it's time for, I know my guesses will be the same as your guesses. No, it's better. Don't say the truth like this. Ooh, sorry.
Without
Yeah. So we'll see what will be happening. Okay. Don't worry. Guys, Bata, she doesn't
know to whisper.
to whisper, so she speaks everything
I
out.
already know what she's ordering. Chips and chicken.
I've already seen.
No.
Now same side here. Let's see. You're saying that so that she can't help her. So we see what.
No. I'm trying to order here, but what I'm ordering, it doesn't come with an accompaniment.
So you order what you want to order there. And don't copy mine. Already I was seeing that she wanted.
What is?
The,
I don't know.
the invigilator was almost trying to steal exam for you. Let's wait and see, guys, and we'll surprise you what we have. Guys, these guys, they're having some peanuts here. And what else?
And
Some music.
We thought there was popcorn there.
Oh, popcorn has already inside.
The baby is eating.
The baby is eating. Alright guys, so let me just go a little bit in the ocean so that I can just walk my legs, and then I'll come back in a few and we see what will be happening a little. So there's some music, very big and big. So the good thing is, let me just move a little bit out here to this area. Today it's very windy, and the water has already just went. We always say the water went hiking, or the water went for a walk. And also, as you can see, deep down to the other side, oh my god, there's a lot of wind. I don't know if you can hear me, guys. There's a lot of wind. So yeah, water have gone. And this is the best time to play football here, just jet skating, having a little
of waters that much. So Bertha and CJ went deep into the ocean. The ocean is like miles away, not miles, meters away. It's like the water's kind of gone away. So I'm rowing here by myself, and Mwita is also playing with the kid on the sliding, swinging. There's a place where the kids are playing. So I'm here stuck alone, listening to good music behind the scenes. Yeah, so I hope you're enjoying this video to this far. Yeah, there are no drinks. We only have some juice here that belongs to baby. So I'm waiting for food because me, I'm hungry. I need to eat. Everyone else is hungry. We've made orders, so we are waiting for the waiter to bring the food. Yeah.
So guys, they usually say it's that time of an elephant to eat its kid. So I'm here.
It's what?
It's kid. So I'm here, and I'm having some best, some honey glazed ribs for goat, and also some little things, small. They're called these tomatoes are called
Sisters of tomatoes.
no, not sisters of tomatoes. They're called candle tomatoes, and some lettuce and carrot and something. And so also I don't know what Mutajun is having there. Mutajun, you killed us.
And what are you having with that bowl? Pilau.
Thank you.
What are you eating with that bowl?
You guys.
Hey,
Hey, man.
But Mutajun is the best.
You know I wanted to order like yours.
So,
Why did you order?
then what happened?
And then
Yeah, I'll eat yours.
Hey, Minha ordered pizza.
It's called seafood pizza.
Pizza. How is it tasting?
I've not tasted.
wait first.
Yummy.
It's my food, man.
Yes, we are having here
You're limiting me.
goat's rib honey glazed with Irish potatoes, lettuce, candle tomatoes, and also Mama is having here. Open it, baby boy. Baby. Some pilau. And also, hey, Mutajun with ugali. Alright. Nice.
So guys, this is what I'm enjoying.
Okay.
This is my
Your
goat chops.
Yes. Alright guys, let me enjoy mine. I really wanna see. Bon appetit guys. Minha, how are you?
Fine.
My last supper. Nice. I used to dismiss these things because it looks like a giant tree, a giant baobab tree, like this. I thought it was lettuce, but my baby had told me it's called broccoli. It looks like a baobab tree, but it's sweet. Let me try it and see. But I have also to stick it in honey first. Very nice. So guys, we just came from this place because there's a lot of music being played here, and the music is Westlife music, which has a very big copyright, in which even if just a single a 10-second video, it will lead to a very big copyright. So it's better I leave so that we can be going to another place, we can see what we're going to have. But we have really enjoyed our food, which was really nice. I appreciate that. And yeah, things have been so great and nice. If you want to be coming to Mombasa, you come to this place, you enjoy, you have a great time. And this was the best moments I had with them. That was Muta Junior, Bata, and my wife Minhawi. Yeah, so we have been so nice and great. Let's wait and see. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
How was it?
Not bad.
You good now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Thank you. What is it?
Everything is it. Tell me about how life is in Mombasa. I'll also tell people how it is.
Well, it's very peaceful. Not so much, quite slow compared to other towns in Kenya. Yeah, so and I do enjoy.
Did you enjoy food and
Yeah,
everything?
the food was delicious.
Did you enjoy having Mita and Batha here?
Yes, I did. They've been amazing people, amazing friends.
What else can you tell people about yourself?
Well, nothing special. I think I've said a lot of things about myself. Nothing interesting anymore.
Alright
Only that I'm
guys.
full.
You are full?
Yeah, I'm full.
A full?
Full.
Hey guys, let's wait for Mwita and Bata and we can hear their what we call like regards concerning their staycation here in Mombasa up to now, and then we can just hear what they are. In a nutshell, this is how everything is around. Things are really nice and great. Honestly guys, for me now it's evening time over here, and the time is almost 7 p.m. I just came to take a small nap, but I'm also sad. I've been awakened that my friends are leaving, as the title suggested, but all as you have seen it was the last meal that we were having here with my friends. So they are preparing themselves in there in the bedroom so that they can leave this night, because tonight is when they take a train from here to Nairobi, then from Nairobi direct to the village. So I'll watch them going, but it's so sad, but also it has been a nice moment being with them around here. And also it has been nice also having with the small kid here. He has been so good to me, very nice and great. So let's wait and see. I'll share with you how they're coming. They are packing already inside there. Hey, but I'm going to miss you too, but hey,
So much.
so much.
Yes.
Hey, but
Get out. Is my phone ringing?
yeah, no, don't
Who
worry.
is carrying this?
Shoes. Where's your shoes? The boy is crying shoes. Let me hold this. The boy is saying shoes. That's what you say, Damien, huh? Okay, guys, now we are moving. As we are heading, goodbye, but come back again. What are you going to give yourself?
Yes, so guys, now we are leaving. Yeah, so we've been here for almost a month. You can hold here so that it be easy. For almost a month, but now it's time now to leave. Yeah, it is sad, but no problem. We will meet very soon in the village. Yeah, so is this the car? It's a Pro Box. Wow. What is this? Is it this one? Okay. Safi.
Bata,
Yes.
bye.
Bye.
And the Mwita.
We will be
Bye,
meeting
man.
soon.
Meet you soon.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
So
guys.
Mwita, man.
Bye, dear.
Bye. Go, Gonga. See you, Baba. Bye. Yeah, guys. So very soon.
We are coming.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, bye.
Bye. I am. Hey, whoa, yeah, guys. I miss the small boy, the small kid.
We miss Gongonga, our little raven already.
Hey, that
gone.
boy used to jump on my head and say, "Hey, how are you, uncle?
I miss you.
Miss you. Kiss." But I'm so sorry, but I wish them a journey masses.
He was not feeling well.
Yeah,
Totally.
he was not
He had
feeling
a very
well.
high
But
fever when he left.
yeah, for sure.
So
But
hopefully they get they are safe and
Look what, guys, look what this lady came with it behind me.
these are kikoi.
With the pegs
Oh.
for hanging clothes.
Yeah, because I picked this one because it's been cold.
It has been cold.
Yeah, so we have the whole house to us.
Oh man, but we know one we will meet. It's not a goodbye, but it's a see you again. And
Very soon.
yeah, it's very nice. What do you want to say about it?
It's been nice having them.
Yes.
I'm grateful for them coming,
Yes.
taking this opportunity to just be here with us. It takes like people who trust you to
Yes.
just come here and just stay with you for that while.
For sure.
Most people will be like, no, I'm going just to stay for like a day
Yeah.
and go back. But them,
Yes.
they really stayed.
Yeah,
It means
with
that
that.
they
They
value our friendship.
For sure.
Yeah, and I appreciate that.
And also, they were so supportive also when it comes to the time when I was doing my engagement time.
Yeah.
I'm really so grateful for them for that.
Yeah.
And always, oh, the empty house now. Open. Now it's going to be an empty house without the small kid. Oh, imagine. It's going to be very dull here. Now I'm the big kid. Come. Now I'm the big.
I was coming first. You say you coming.
Now I'm the big kid now. No, the other one first. Oh, guys, it's really sad, but it's okay, guys. Let's wish them a journey masses, and also let's pray for them, and let them reach home safe, as they are going to do some other stuffs over there. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed always, and of course also subscribe to my lovely wife here, Minhawi. I really appreciate your love and support. Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, guys.